This is kind of convenient though, instead of like going over there.
I do want to try the number 5.
Because they only have like the one speaker,
Yeah.
so.
Want someone to hit the speaker. I'll have a number 3, the meal. Medium with a Coke.
Okay.
And then a number 5, just a sandwich.
For number 3, what would you like for your side and drink?
Fries, please, for the side. And then a medium Coke for the drink, please.
Okay, so then number 5, just the food steak.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the number 12, the buffalo style, please.
I'm sorry?
The number 12, the boneless buffalo wings, please.
Buffalo?
Yes.
And what would you like for the side and drink?
What do you want?
Mozzarella sticks and Dr. Pepper.
Mozzarella sticks for the side, and then a medium Dr. Pepper, please.
Okay.
That'll be it.
Alright, so it's 25 for you.
Thank you.
They're dropping stuff. Thought those shakes over there was cookies for a second, but they're shakes.
And
All the awnings all bent up.
yeah, don't show that.
Thanks here. Sip, sip, snack. Huh? Real fruit. Large drinks and iced tea. Oh, large soft drinks and iced teas. Those shakes look good though.
Yeah, they do.
I thought those were cookies for a second. Oh, they don't have nothing on the side of it. It's like something like broke off or whatever.
Well, they probably just didn't have anything to put there.
But you were confused.
Yeah, I should, if I can.
I bet we could already had our food and stuff by now if you wasn't so
I'm gonna be
confused.
mad if they are still doing it, because it is outside and you're in your own vehicle.
I don't know. Because,
But
like you said, there was cars going in those menu things where then you push your button and
Yeah.
order. But then you saw people backing up out of it and going through the drive-thru.
yeah, so I was confused. But then also, when you think about it, if they didn't want people ordering from there, then why are they turned on?
Well, maybe, like I said, I was probably right where they just, like, you order there to see the menu if you're, like, new or whatever. And then you just come through the drive-thru and tell them who you are and whatever. And then they're like, oh, okay, pull up to the second window. But it also seemed like they were taking a little bit to order, too, when they did pull out. To where they were just probably doing what also I said, where they just looked at the menu, then they went to the drive-thru and ordered what they wanted.
Yeah.
So, either way. Oh, drama. Where are the fire trucks at?
Well, it doesn't matter. We got our food. They're behind us.
Oh, well, that's not going to help me. I thought they're going to be out there. Here we go. They were recording from the phone on their face. But yeah, I stopped it because, you know.
Well, welcome back, guys. This time we got Sonic. This is the first time I've ever been here. What? You never been to Sonic? No. It's the first time I've always wanted to go because I've seen it. And we went to order through the little thing, you know, the little speaker. But people went in. They like were there for a little bit, then back out, went to the drive-thru. So I didn't know what was going on. If they stopped doing that because of you know what. or something like that, or it's just people looking to see what they want, so they went to the drive-thru instead. But I got two things.
Yeah, you got a massive hot dog.
No,
This is your hot dog.
I didn't get a hot dog.
Cheesesteak?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I changed my mind, because you're like, oh, you gotta pick what you want. I'm like,
Well,
oh.
not really, I don't think. I think
Got French
their hot
fries?
dogs come with chili and stuff like that.
French fries? I'm excited.
So here's your cheesesteak. My stuff is a little bit more messier than your stuff, so that's why I'm like, here. I'm gonna keep the thingy.
Why don't you have such a big package for a lot of cheesesteak?
Well, they have their massive hot dogs.
Oh
Like
yeah,
that
they
huge.
probably use the same.
They have this thing. Whatever you want to eat first. I like this place. They actually put ketchup in the bag. I thought we were gonna get pretzels or something.
No,
Oh.
that'll be a different time.
So instead of actually asking for ketchup or something like that, they actually give you a ketchup in the bag already to go with whatever. I guess it's for your French fries, because I don't need it for what I got.
Give me the bag.
They gave me a fork.
Give me the bag. Give me a trash bag.
Have to clean out the... Yeah, look where we're at. What vehicle are we in?
We're in a Jeep. I got a new vehicle, so I'm not driving my truck anymore.
No. That thing was loud. Now you finally listen to music and not have to worry about, oh, I can't hear it. Your truck, and when the windows are down, you can't hear it or nothing. But now we can finally hear music and it's so fancy. And then I got woo.
Well, the fries are good. Nothing like spectacular, but they're still good.
These are the buffalo wings. Sonic. Yeah, these are your ketchups. What'd you get to drink?
Coke.
You got Coke? Yeah, we got mediums.
Doesn't seem right. It like tastes like diluted.
I'm not drinking that bullshit.
What?
That's gross. Let me see your drink. No, thank you, ma'am.
That tastes funny.
No, thank you. I'm not drinking that. The drinks suck. Soda-wise sucks. I came here like a couple times before I met you when I was living down here. Before I
It's a nice
moved
size burger.
up to you.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I always got like chocolate shakes and stuff like that. I never got soda. So...
The burger's a nice size. Yeah, I got a bacon double cheeseburger.
Which was like what number? 3?
Mm-hmm.
I got number 12. And apparently you can pick whatever size you want. From fries to monster sticks to whatever. So instead of me getting fries, I got monster sticks. Which, I like it. You know, normally they give you like, no, they don't give you, but I don't know. But like some restaurants will like give you marinara or something like that. Well, they give me marinara. So maybe they give you a whole bunch of ketchups to go with them. And I'm like, no. It's a rainy day.
Mm-hmm.
The past couple weeks it was in the 80s and it was hot. Now the good thing about coming to Sonic, the food is not greasy, which is very good. I don't like greasy food.
Well, so far, well, the drinks, like my first time being here, it's on the fence of being okay and a bad experience. Because my Coke tastes diluted.
Mm-hmm.
Her Dr. Pepper tastes really weird.
This makes me not want to eat nothing. I can't eat without a drink. weird. And then it could be one of those things where you gotta eat something special for the drink to taste good. No. Your fries taste cold.
I don't know.
All that stuff is gonna be like made to order like sheets. When you get yourself fresh, fried, and everything to order.
But what I would like to do is there's a Sonic near Lancaster, Lancaster, whatever you say it. But there's a Sonic down there I want to try. That maybe it's just this Sonic isn't that good.
I remember coming here when I was younger, of course. It's like getting like the popcorn chicken, and that stuff was huge. Like the container, and you get like a big portion size. I thought that's how like the wings would kind of be, but no, they only give you like what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wings, and I'm pretty sure it's like popcorn. They're boneless.
What the?
So they do this little popcorn chicken, but well, it's jumbo popcorn chicken here, and they just like dredge in their buffalo sauce, which is whatever.
My cheesesteak is warm.
I don't know, Sonic. But we're back. What?
Is that onion?
Oh no.
That's onion.
All I know is I gotta drink this garbage, and I'm sad.
I know. I'm just drinking my drink, even
Tastes
though
like dust. I don't know. I need to stop somewhere after this to get a good drink. Should have just ordered the food and then probably just get away with like, oh, no drink, and just get like drinks from like McDonald's or something. Oh fuck. I'm sorry. That tastes like medicine or something. No. Now people that say, oh, Dr. Pepper tastes like cherry Coke, I'm like, I don't see it. It's just like very refreshing, and I like it. Because when I can't have Pepsi, then it's like, yeah. So now I can really taste like the cherry flavor in that, and I don't like it. And then the McDonald's in Danville, when I got their Dr. Pepper, that was very cherry flavor, and I do not like cherry flavor. Nothing cherry flavor, not even Pepsi. That stuff is gross. Oh my god.
what?
I'm gonna break a king tooth on this. It's hard. There's one in Allentown, and apparently there's one in Lancaster. See, this place is falling apart. They got rid of all these menus right here where we're parked at. They got the menus down there though behind us. And then they got a menu, and then only one speaker working. So of course, you can see the menu before you pull up to the speaker with the other menu, like do your order. Oh no. The buffalo is not mild, but it's good. It just has a kick you right in the teeth. Dang, I should have got a shake. I know their shits are good.
What? After this, we're going to Burger King.
We're going to Burger King.
Maybe.
For what?
Food.
Food. I feel like throwing all this food away. You just get like Burger King. It's like garbage. Ooh, cheese ball. Do you like your cheesesteak?
No.
kind that I really like is like the Molly sticks. The soda sucks. Your fries are not even like hot. So never go to Hilton Sonic because sucks. Apparently. Some stuff is good, like the Mazda sticks. Just don't get the soda. Get a shake, because I know they're good. And that's probably why we saw that car in front of us getting all the shakes and not the soda. Did they even give us napkins?
No.
Yes.
I'm not very happy.
Look at this. This chicken is hard. And they really skimp on like sauce or something. And it's just like their jumbo popcorn chicken or whatever that they're calling wings. And they're putting sauce on it. Crazy. I like Pizza Hut. Their wings are good.
Mm-hmm.
I thought wings different. Yeah. It's like a mild buffalo, but with like a kick. You know, the more and more you eat it, then it starts getting more and more spicy. And I don't really like spicy, but it's good. But if you don't like spice or whatever, don't get it. If they give me like options between like mild or spicy buffalo, I'll be like mild. And then this comes out and it's all, I'm gonna burn your mouth off. And then I'm gonna say you're garbage. Did I just fart?
No.
I did.
Mm.
What was the pop noise in?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know. You know, they give me a fork, but I can't even like fork the chicken because it's hard. Oh, here, cops, I need you. Burn this place down. It sucks. Is the AC on or something?
No, heat's on.
The heat's on. I don't feel the heat.
Have it coming out of there.
Oh. It's coming out where I set the phone up.
I also have on the low setting. Hazelton Sonic, you suck.
Is your burger, what's your burger? Is it juicy or dry or what? Oh, fire truck. Are you gonna burn this place down? Like, destroy the menu of everything you know that sucks and keep like some good stuff like the mods. Sticks are not that bad.
Yeah, very much.
Like, come all the way from so-and-so to come to Houston. Yeah, maybe I should go to California.
I'm trying some.
I would go for a drink right now, but that stuff is nasty. It's the weirdest taste ever. You know, maybe I can see why 2-year-olds just use their fingers now, because they don't like using silverware because the food is suckish. It's like, I can't fork this. And yeah, sometimes they need help, so then I end up feeding them. I'm like, ay, ay, ay. I don't mind it. I kind of like feeding them, but they already know how to feed themselves. It's like I end up starting to help them, and all of a sudden they're like, I pick up more food, and they start going, ah. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna feed you now.
It'd be nice if, I was thinking earlier, it'd be nice if we could make the channel big enough that we became famous and we go to somewhere that we haven't gone to yet. And they're like, hey, we know you. I know you. I'm like, no, you don't. I don't know what you're talking about.
We have twins? Whoa. It'd be funny if I'm pregnant with a twin.
No.
Oh, you don't want twins? You just want, what do you want? What are you looking at?
The signs.
What, are we driving in like slow motion now? How about that bike?
No.
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 Why?
I don't like yellow.
Your mom does.
Yeah, I know she likes yellow.
I don't know why people.
There was a truck at the dealership that was yellow.
I don't know. Why would you like a pea color?
No. He's like mixture of orange and yellow.
Gold. Yeah, try your Frenchy fries.
I already did.
Oh, what do you think about those? You know, those 2-year-olds are funny. Like, I'll have one in my hand already that I'm holding, and then I get 5 other kids. Uppies! I'm like, am I octopus? Yeah! What'd you call me? I think I'm not an octopus. I first get there, open the gate, they're all, Jess is here! I got like 10 kids all up on me. I'm like, holy cow. I only had 6 on Thursday. It felt like a lot when they were going to the gate outside. I'm like, oh my god. And then the second I get one out, the kids are telling me, oh, go over there, go over there. And then they see a bird in the yard, and they're like, oh, I want to see over the gate, I want to see the birds. And I'm like, there's holes in the gate, and like you could see. It's like, I want to see. I'm like, look through the holes, the gate, you can see. It's like, no! They're funny. They're funny.
It's a lie.
What's a lie? Gosh, and
London. Well, let focus. What does it say? Well, it won't focus because it's too bright. But it says, caution, hot contents and filling. That's a lie because it wasn't hot.
well,
It was more like warm. It was only in one area too. That was warm.
yeah, mine says the same thing. No. You know, when you give me a messy food, you give me a fork, but not a napkin. So now I use a napkin from Subway.
Come on.
Yeah. Guess what? They're actually fresh. This place is not what I thought. Let's see, I have 2 more Mozzie sticks. One's curved and one's straight. Which one you want? No, you want the straight one. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
I like squirt it. Did you squirt it out my mouth onto my thigh? So I think the mung sticks are like fresh because they're like hot. Pretty much the only good thing that I think we had was the mango sticks.
That was the only good thing. Because my cheesesteak was crap. Because it was, of course, cheese, meat, and then onions. There's barely any onions in it. Didn't really have that much flavor. The bread, like, felt like it wasn't toasted.
It's just a thumbnail, because, you know, we forget. And you also got the drinkies, but we're not doing that, because... Yeah. Ta-da! And back there. What?
On the net. Yeah,
What?
pull.
What?
Yeah, bring it forward. So, but as I was saying, it wasn't that good. Then the burger that I had was like, meh.
So what are we gonna do now?
The meat seemed juicy just because of the sauce, the mayo, whatever they put on it.
Yeah, meats are dry to me, unless you have like a lot of sauce, like tuna. I like tuna, but it still needs a lot of mayo, but not, don't make it soupy, because then I won't like it.
But anyways, the Sonic and Hazelton needs to get better.
They were, I think they got new people or something. It was
Probably.
good, but now it seems like it's all like falling apart. I mean, look.
Even the building
There used to be like stuff there, all that. All that was supposed to be signs, and then we got back here. There's your signs, order and all that. But now we don't even know if they bring them out. So because people are going in there, and I guess they were ordering it, or they just like looked at the menu and they went to the drive-thru. So it's crazy.
But I think we're gonna wrap this video up. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. It's a little thing that pops up next to when you hit subscribe. I'll notify you guys anytime we upload a video. We try to keep it Mondays and Wednesdays.
I might have a cooking video if I do those muffins this week. That might be a Wednesday though. And then today's your mukbang, so enjoy.
But like I said, we try to keep it on those two days, but it doesn't. We're not gonna guarantee that it's gonna be those 2 days. It could be like
We were going out a couple of times when we were not filming, but that was just like the same places, and we didn't want to like film at the same places. It's just boring. So we're trying to do like different places. So you might get a mukbang once in a while. Depends. Maybe the next will be like Popeyes or something. Hopefully they're good down here. I think they might be.
yeah.
So yeah.
But also make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button. I recommend this video to other people so we can grow this channel and make it bigger. And then maybe someday it'll happen like I said, that people recognize us and we'll be like more famous than what we are now.
Hell no.
Yeah, stop drinking that. That's crap.
That's like poison ready to happen to go to your butt.
Okay.
Time to go get good drinks. This is garbage.
Yeah. But as always, thank you for watching and bye-bye.